So it's a quick look on how the hex halos were mounted inside this 08 to 14 WRX. If you look real closely, you're going to see the fishing line. You got one up there, one right in the middle. We go down. So 4 pieces of line total. Usually we use about 2 pieces of line. The wires anchored down at the bottom. The hex halos were a little bit more difficult because the wires that feed out of the housing were actually in a different area, but you could see if you follow up on the latest post, once it's seated in there, it's actually quite flush. It looks really, really good. And it's sort of just kind of floating in place. Now, these holes and these notches are made before the lights are painted. So a lot of people think it's strange. We paint the lights sort of, we paint everything before the halos get mounted, and obviously, that way everything is set up properly. You don't scuff anything up. And everything is pretty much ready to go instead of you dremeling or making modifications to things to get the new halo in. So the hard work is done. It's just about mounting. And on this case, we made 4 holes and then another larger area that's been notched out. Generally speaking, we'll just have a few holes for the circular halos. But if you guys have any questions, let us know.